Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy. Mathematics, SSLC NCERT, Chapter Circles, 3-mark questions with solutions, prepared by N. Parmesh. First question, prove that the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Answer, data. O is the center of the circle, P is an external point, PQ and PR are the tangents. To prove, PQ is equal to PR. Construction, OQ, OR and OP are joined. Proof, in triangle POQ and triangle POR, angle PQO is equal to angle PRO is equal to 90 degree. Reason, radius drawn at the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. Hypotenuse OP is equal to hypotenuse OP. Reason, common side. OQ is equal to OR, radii of the same circle. Therefore, triangle POQ is congruent to triangle POR. Reason, right angle hypotenuse side theorem. Therefore, PQ is equal to PR. Second question, in the given figure, PQ and PR are the two parallel tangents to a circle with a center O and another tangent AB with the point of contact C intersect PQ at A and RS at B. Prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Answer, let angle OAB is equal to X, angle OAX is equal to X, angle OBA is equal to Y, angle OBY is equal to Y. PQ is parallel to RS. Therefore, angle XAB plus angle YBA is equal to 180 degree. Substituting the value, this is nothing but 2x, this is nothing but 2y, 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 degree. Taking 2 as common, x plus y is equal to 180 degree, x plus y is equal to 180 degree divided by 2, x plus y is equal to 90 degree. In triangle AOB, angle OAB plus angle OBA plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. This is nothing but x plus this is y plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, this is nothing but x plus y is nothing but 90 degree plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Third question, prove that the tangent at any point to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Answer, data. A circle O as a center and radius is R and a tangent AB is a tangent at the point of contact P. To prove, OP is perpendicular to AB. Construction, take any point Q other than P on the tangent AB, join OQ that intersect the circle at the point R. Proof, OP is equal to OR, that is radii. OQ is equal to OR plus RP. OQ is equal to OR plus RQ. OQ is greater than OR, which implies OQ is greater than OP. Thus, OP is the shorter than any other line segment joining O to any point on the line AB. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to AB. Fourth question, two concentric circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm are drawn. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Answer, in the diagram, OC is the radius of the smaller circle 3 cm, AB is the tangent. In triangle OCB, angle C is 90 degree, OB is a diagonal. By applying Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OC square plus CB square. Phi square is equal to 3 square plus BC square. Phi square is 25 is equal to 9 plus BC square. 25 minus 9 is equal to BC square. BC square is equal to 16. BC is equal to root 16, that is equal to 4 centimeter. BC is equal to AC, that is 4 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the chord AB is equal to AC plus BC is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. Length of the chord AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Fifth question, a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Answer. From the figure, DC, DA, BC and AB are the sides of the quadrilateral which also forms a tangent to a circle circumscribing with the quadrilateral ABCD. We know that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Therefore, DR is equal to DS, call this as equation 1. CR is equal to CQ, call this as equation 2. BP is equal to BQ, call this as equation 3. AP is equal to AS, call this as equation 4. Adding equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. DR plus CR plus BP plus AP is equal to DS plus CQ plus BQ plus AS. DR plus CR bracket close plus BP plus AP bracket close is equal to DS plus AS grouping plus CQ plus BQ grouping, call this as equation 5. From the figure, DC is equal to DR plus CR, AB is equal to AP plus BP, AD is equal to AS plus DS, BC is nothing but CQ plus BQ. Substitute the values in equation 5. CD plus AB is equal to AD plus BC. Therefore, AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Sixth question, prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Answer. A parallelogram ABCD circumscribing a circle. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal as well as parallel. AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC. Again, AP and AS are the tangents drawn from an external point P. Therefore, AP is equal to AS. Similarly, BP is equal to BQ, CQ is equal to CR, DS is equal to DR. AP plus BP plus DR plus CR is equal to AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. This is nothing but AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to CD. Substitute here AB as it is plus CD is nothing but AB plus AD as it is, BC is nothing but AD. 1AB plus 1AB is equal to 2AB plus 1AD plus 1AD is equal to 2AD. 2 get cancelled, AB is equal to AD, which implies AB is equal to AD is equal to DC is equal to BC. All the sides are equal. Therefore, parallelogram ABCD is a rhombus. Seventh question, two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ is equal to 2 of angle OPQ. Answer. Let angle PTQ is equal to theta. TP is equal to TQ. Therefore, triangle TPQ is an isosceles triangle. Angle TPQ is equal to angle TQP is equal to 1 by 2 into 180 degree minus theta. 180 degree by 2 is 90 degree minus 1 by 2 into theta. But we know that angle OPT is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle OPQ is equal to angle OPT minus angle TPQ is equal to, this is 90 degree minus this is bracket 90 degree minus 1 by 2 into theta, plus 90 minus 90 get cancelled, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 into theta, 1 by 2 as it is, angle PTQ. Therefore, angle POPQ is equal to 1 by 2 angle PTQ, cross multiplication, angle PTQ is equal to 2 of angle OPQ. Eighth question, prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. Answer, PA and PB are the two tangents, A and B are the point of contact to the tangents. OA is perpendicular to AP, OB is perpendicular to BP. Angle OAP is equal to angle OBP is equal to 90 degree. Reason, radius and the tangents perpendicular to each other. In a quadrilateral OAPB, angle OAP plus angle OBP plus angle APB plus angle AOB is equal to 360 degree. This is 180 degree, 90 plus 90 is 180 degree, plus angle APB plus angle AOB is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle APB plus angle AOB is equal to 360 degree minus 180 degree, that is equal to 180 degree, that is supplementary angle. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.